Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the intercom mode from mono to stereo in your BOSE A30 headset. So at first you have to take your control panel where you have the power button and the Bluetooth button and etc, which is here. And now you have to open this cover, but let me at first remove the headphones from the here. Here, now we have to open that, and as you can see, here we do have intercom mono to stereo. I don't really have something that I can push it to the other side, and my nails are too short. I recommend to use some SIM card opener, and you just have to pull this switch from the mono to stereo. As you can see now it's set to mono. Oh, and here I can see that I do have a knife. It will be difficult, of course, but let's see if that works. Of course, we have to be very careful with doing so. Here, as you can see, we do have intercom mono to stereo. Wait a moment, I will do this off camera, just to make sure that I won't damage anything. Yes, and I done it. I did it. Here, as you can see, we have intercom mono to stereo, and we can go back with moving this switch to the other side. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.